Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel guys! Ito yung bago naming coffee maker.
Why don't you put it there with the rest of your things?
Where? Just fine here. And then guys, dito mo ilalagay yung beans. So tingnan nyo guys. So yeah. Ang asawa ko lang mahilig ng ganito. So yeah. So meron siyang button here, on and off. Grinder para dito, manual shot, then ito yun isang coffee, dalawang coffee. Anong tawag niyan? Thermo block 58 mm coffee ground head, then hot steam clean. Uy, my nails is dirty. Look at this guys. At last, we have this na. Yay, merong cup dito. Ewan ko ano yan. Parang dito yung tumutulo yung ano, di ba? Oh, hindi, dito. Dito. And then, yeah. Ano pa dito? Conical boring grinder, temperature, IQ shot control. So, how about this? What is this?
That's for the to pack the coffee.
To pack the coffee though, guys. Like this, guys.
Yeah.
Like that. To tap the.
And this one. Like that.
Tap and go grinder.
Like that. Push it down. And it starts to grind.
Oh, really?
And it automatically fills to what you want.
Piya ko nito guys, para lang nasa Starbucks. Ito guys, yan, meron siyang takip. Then anong nasa so ito yung nasa, yeah guys, ito pala yung water guys. Lagay mo yung water dito, pero ewan ko, hot water. Mag-aano pala dito, hot water han in here inside.
Just cold water.
Just cold water. Yeah, just cold water. So yan. So fine, slower instruction. What's this? Extraction. Medium. Coarse, faster. Extraction. Siguro ito yung ano guys, yung mapino yung ginagrind mo.
Adjusting the size of the grind.
Did you hear that guys? Adjusting the size of, what is that, Han?
The grind.
The grind.
And the amount.
And the amount. Yes. So yan guys, our new coffee maker.
It's really the amount.
So you don't have to make it.
And we'll wash it soon.